I'm Nate Allen, and I'm with Wedding Cakes by Tammy Allen. We are wedding cake experts from start to finish. We engage the brides at the bridal show. We ask them if we are allowed to follow up with them, and we do. And then we send them content and ideas concerning a wedding cake so that when they finally make a decision, they have some direction that they want to go. So we are not only wedding cake experts in terms of manufacturing, but we give them ideas. We're problem solvers. 30 years of experience in the industry, 32 bridal extravaganza shows, and one-on-one consultations in our Wedding Cake Superstore at 7520 Cherry Park Drive, Suite B, so they can expect a whole array of things to help them make the decision for the perfect wedding cake. If you would ask my wife, her answer would be she knows how to think like a bride. She knows what a bride is looking for in a cake. She listens to whoever accompanies them on our one-on-one consultations, which are held, again, inside our Wedding Cake Superstore. It's a wonderful experience. Wedding Cakes by Tammy Allen at the Bridal Extravaganza Show.